This is Nastya.
This is Mom.
Nastya, you look sad. What happened?
I'm bored.
Why? Look what a beautiful day. I have an idea. Let's visit the farm.
Right? Wow.
Let's go.
And on this farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
What an exciting trip, right?
Yes.
Nastya, I have a surprise for you. Here is the magic box. And you have to guess what's inside, okay?
Okay.
Let's
This is cow.
go. Okay, let's see. What's next? What is
Sheep.
Yes! Here is the sheep. Funny sheep, right? Okay.
It's a horse.
Right! Horse! What's next? Let's see.
Goose.
Right, it's a goose. Goose.
Duck.
Right, it's a duck. Quack, quack. I can hear anything. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a rabbit. Nastya, let's make a clay farm.
Okay.
Let's start. Let's make a pig.
Yes.
Okay. Let's make a ball, okay? Ball. Big ball. Let's make eyes
Yes.
and ears, please. Let's make a tail. Legs. And grass, right?
Right.
Grass.
Ready.
Look. Sweet?
Sit.
Great. Let's make a sheep. 2 ears.
Done.
Mouth. Great. Nastya, what's the next animal?
Chicken.
Let's make a ball.
Eyes.
Eyes. Wings.
Wings. Chicken.
Let's make a cow. A ball. A head. I will make a head. Eyes. Spots.
Bird.
Great job! Nastya, if I say true, clap your hands, okay?
Okay.
Nastya, this is a sheep.
No.
No. This is a sheep.
No.
No. This is a sheep.
Yes.
Clap your hands. Great. This is a cow. Great. Chicken. Clap your hands. Cow. No. Pig. Great job. Nastya, do you like farm animals?
Yes.
Okay. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.